The Hisense 55-inch QD7 Series Mini LED QLED 4K Smart Fire TV delivers exceptional value by packing premium features into a surprisingly affordable package. For around $399, you get a vibrant 4K display powered by mini LED backlighting and QLED technology, producing deep blacks, bright highlights, and rich, accurate colors that truly stand out whether you're watching movies, sports, or nature content. HDR10 and Dolby Vision support add impressive contrast and realism, making scenes feel more lifelike than you'd expect at this price. Built-in Fire TV keeps everything simple and fast, with easy access to popular streaming apps and Alexa voice control for hands-free searching and smart home commands. The slim, modern design with thin bezels looks great in any living room, while gamers benefit from HDMI 2.1, 4K at 120 Hz, VRR, and ALLM for smooth, responsive gameplay. While the built-in speakers are just average and viewing angles aren't the widest, these are minor trade-offs considering the overall performance. For anyone wanting a big screen 4K TV with strong picture quality, modern smart features, and gaming support without overspending, the Hisense 55 QD7 QF stands out as one of the best value TVs in its class.